Good morning, students. I hope all of you are fine at homes. Students, class 5th semester 1 mathematics is divided into 6 chapters. First chapter is more on large numbers. Second chapter is operations on numbers. Third chapter is factors and multiples. Fourth chapter is fractions. Fifth chapter is decimals. And the sixth chapter is percentages. Students, first chapter is more on large numbers. The learning objectives of this chapter are to understand 7-digit numbers, to understand 8-digit numbers, to understand 9-digit numbers, international place value chart, compare Indian and international place value systems, compare 7-digit, 8-digit and 9-digit numbers, and round off 7-digit, 8-digit and 9-digit numbers. Six-digit numbers. Students, we have studied 5-digit numbers in earlier grades. The greatest 5-digit number is 99,999. What number do we get if we add 1 to it? Students, the addition is shown here. 99,999 plus 1 gives you the next number. It is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. It is the successor of 99,999. Student, successor means the next number. It is called 1 lakh and it is the smallest 6-digit number. Seven-digit numbers. Students, the greatest 6-digit number is 9,99,999. What number do we get if we add 1 to it? You can see the addition of 9,99,999 and 1 gives you 10, 00, 000. It is the successor of 9,99,999. It is called 10 lakh. It is the smallest 7-digit number. Place value chart. A place value chart is a table that shows the place values of the digits in a number. Students, place value charts are of two types. First is Indian system and second is international system. Students, now you can see the place value chart of Indian system. It is divided into 3 groups known as the periods. We have to write the periods from the right side to the left side. So the 3 periods from right to left are ones period, thousands period and lakhs period. Students, ones period is divided into 3 columns. These 3 columns are known as places. You can see them. The first one is for ones. In short, we write it as O. The second column is for tens. In short, we write it as T. The third column is hundreds column. In In short, we write it as H. Students, now you can see the thousands period. Thousand period is also divided into two columns. First column is the thousands. In short, we write TH for it. And the second column is for 10,000s. In short, it is written as TTH. Students, now you can see the lakhs period. Lakhs period is also divided into two columns. So the first column is for lakhs. In short, we write L for it. The next column is for 10 lakhs. In short, we write TL for it. So this is the place value chart of Indian system. Students, now this is one question. Question number 1. Write the number in the place value chart. I am reading the digits from the left side to the right side. The digits from left side to the right side are 2395408. Okay? However, we do not read the number like that. We read it as its number name. Students, we have drawn the place value chart for it. In the place value chart, there are three periods: ones, thousands and lakhs. Now, ones period is divided into three columns: ones, tens and hundreds. Thousands period is divided into two columns: thousand and 10,000s. Lakhs period is divided into two columns: lakhs and 10 lakhs. Now we have to fill the digits in this place value chart of Indian system. So remember, we have to fill the digits from the right side to the left side. You can see the first digit at the right is 8. So we have written 8 in the ones periods ones column. Now next digit is 0. So we have written 0 in the next column, that is for tens. Next digit is 4 and that is written in the hundreds column. Next digit 5 is written in the thousands period and in the thousands column. Next digit is 9. It is written in 10,000s column. Next digit is 3. It is written in the lakhs period in lakhs column. And the next digit 2 is written in 10 lakhs column. So we have written the digits from right side to left side. Students, this is the next question. Question number 2. Write the place value of all the digits in the given number 61,70,532. So the answer is shown here. First we have to draw the place value chart and we have to fill the digits as you have seen in question number 1. Now we have to see from the right side to the left side. So place value of 2 is 2 ones because 2 is in the ones place or in the ones column. So 2 ones means 2. Next digit is 3. It is in tens place. So place value of 3 is 3 tens or 30. Next digit in hundreds place is 5. So place value of 5 is 500. Next digit is 0. It is in thousands place. and its place value will be 0. Okay, so place value of 0 will be only 0, whatever be its place. Next digit is 7 in 10,000's place. So we have written place value of 7 as 7 10,000s, or 7 followed by 4 zeros, or 70,000. Next digit is 1. It is in lakhs column or in lakhs place. So place value of 1 is 1 lakh, means 1 followed by 5 zeros. Next digit is 6. It is in 10 lakhs place. So place value of 6 is 610 lakhs, means 6 followed by 6 zeros. Students, this is question number 3. Write the number 45,32,807 by using commas and write its number name. So first we have to write the number in the place value chart. In question number 1 and 2 you have seen how to fill the digits in the place value chart of Indian system. Now we will place the commas to separate the periods from each other. So the first period is ones period, and the second period is thousands period, and third one is lakhs period. We have to separate the digits in these different periods by using commas. So you can see ones period. In the ones period, there are 3 digits, 8, 0 and 7. And then we have to put one comma. Okay, students. So first comma is to separate the ones period from the thousands period. Now we move to the next period. The next period is thousands period. There are digits 3 and 2. And after that we have lakhs period. So students, we have to place one comma here to separate the thousands period from the lakhs period. Okay. So this is the placement of second comma. So you have seen how we have placed the 2 commas here. The first comma separates the thousand period from the ones period, and the second comma separates the lakhs period from the ones period. It is easy to read and write these larger numbers when we use commas. Now we have to write the number name. So the number name is 45,32,807. Now let us understand how to write the number name. So again we have to see the periods, and this is the first period, ones period. How many digits you can see? There are 3 digits, 8, 0 and 7. How do we read them together? You read them as 807. 807. Okay? Now we move to the thousands period. Now how many digits you can see? The digits are 3 and 2. How do you read them together? You read them as 32. 32. But students, we have to write the name of the period also after 32. So what is the name of the period? It is thousands period. Okay. So when we write the number name, we have to write 32 and after that 1000. So 32,000. Now we move to lakhs period. Students, you can see there are two digits 4 and 5. How do you read them together? We read them as 45. So we have to write 45 in words, and after that we have to write the name of the period. What is the name of the period? It is lakhs. Okay, so we have to write in the number name 45 lakh. 45 lakh. Now students, you can see the number name of this given number 45 lakh 32,807. Students, now expanded form. The expanded form of a number is the sum of the place values of all the digits in the number in order. So question number 4 is here. Write the expanded form of 79 lakh 32,105. Okay students, so you can see here we have written the expanded form of this given number. First you have to write the digit at the highest place. The highest place here is 10 lakhs place, and in 10 lakhs place we can see the digit is 7. Okay students, so we have to write 7 followed by 6 zeros. Okay, because after 7 there are 6 numbers or 6 digits. Okay students, after 7 there are 6 digits. That's why we have placed here 6 zeros. Okay, next number is 9. You can see it. Next digit is 9, and after that we have 5 numbers or 5 digits. You can see here after 9 there are 5 digits. So now we have to write the digit 9 followed by 5 zeros. Okay, we proceed in the same manner. Now the next digit is 3. Okay, and after 3 we can see there are 4 digits. Okay, so when we write the expanded form we have to write 3 followed by 4 zeros. Now students, the next digit is 2, and after that we can see there are 3 digits. Okay, so when we write it in expanded form we have to write 2 followed by 3 digits. Now the next digit is 1, and after that we can see there are 2 digits. So we have to write 1 followed by 20 means 100, and the last at the ones place there is 5. So we will write is as 5. Okay, so actually what is the expanded form? It is the sum of the place values of all the digits. You can see here place value of 7 is 70 lakh. So we have written 70 lakh plus the next digit is 9. 9 is at lakhs place and its place value is 9 lakhs. So we have written 9 lakhs plus next digit is 3. It is in 10,000's place. So we have written 3 10,000 means 30,000 plus next digit is 2. 2 is in the thousands place. So we have written 2000. Next digit is 1 in hundreds place. So we have written 100. And tens place digit is 0. So we do not write 0 in the expanded form. Okay. No need to write 0 in the expanded form. And then 5. 5 is at the ones place. So we have written 5. So this is the expanded form. Students, now this is another question. Question number 5. Write the standard form of 50 lakh plus 4 lakh plus 20,000 plus 700 plus 10 plus 9. So answer is given here. To get the standard form, you have to add all the numbers. So it is easy to do. It is just opposite of expanded form. Here expanded form is given and you have to write the standard form. Means after addition what do you get? You get 54 lakh 20,719. Okay students. So the standard form of this addition is 54 lakh 20,719. Students, now this is practice exercise 1.1. You can see page number 119 of your textbook to solve the questions. First question is write the following numbers in the place value chart. So I have explained it and you have to fill the digits in the place value chart. Now second question is in each of the following numbers write the place value of 5. So students, you can see the first of it. The first number is 21 lakh 15,239. Okay students, the first one. Now we have to write the place value of 5 in that. So what is the place value of 5? So first of all you have to check the place of it. So 5 is there at thousands place. So what will be its place value? Place value will be 5,000. Okay. How will you write it? You will write it as 5000. Okay students, or 5,000. Now question number 3. Rewrite the numbers by using commas and write their number names. I have explained it in this video. Okay students. Question number 4 is write the expanded form. So this is also explained. Students, the last question is question number 5. Write the standard form. So I have explained the standard form and you have to do all these questions. Okay, so write all these questions in the notebook. Solve them. So the homework is practice exercise 1.1. All questions, write them in the notebook.